How to create short hair, girl in the living room. I'm going to show the part of February pattern, and link to the full pattern is in description. The girl sits sideways to us, so I embroidered only cheek and neck. For the hair, I'm using 3 strands of brown cotton thread. Make a knot on the end and come up near the neck. Come down in the nearby hole and leave a loop. Let it be longer than you need. Come on the right from the first hole and down, wrapping the threads of the loop. Continue making loops along the hairline. Make them at least half centimeters longer than desired hair length. Before starting embroidery, draw the hairline and the length and shape of the hair. I use Pilot Point Friction Heat Erasable pen. It erases from hair dryer or iron. To add volume, make stitches inside the head too. Let me explain. At first we make loops along the hairline. Make sure the stitch wrapping loops is invisible. Fill the head with loops in checkerboard order. Since we're making short hair, we need more layers to have volume and cover the head. Then place loops down. And move to the other side. We need to cover a smaller area, so it's just circle and line of loops along the face and couple of satin stitches under the chin. Again, place loops in the direction of hair growth. And after the loops are ready, we're going to cut them to the length we want. Let's go back to the process. When you run out of thread, flip the hoop and slide under in stitches on the back 2 or 3 times to secure the stitches. Don't go through the fabric. A little bit of loop making process. I almost finished the left side. Starting the right side. Making the loops along the hairline, just like I explained in the previous funny looking graphics. That's what I have before the haircut. Cut the loops in the middle and cut off unnecessary length. Compare what you have and what you drew on fabric, and use it as a guide for cutting, for the lengths. Do you know how to curl the ribbon? You pull the ribbon across the scissors blade while pressing it on your thumb. And that's what I'm doing with the thread here. It won't make like curls at short length, but it will make them a little more like hair. If you try it on a longer length, it will make thread wavy. Using ribbed roller to remove the fibers. And back to cutting. Start cutting from the bottom level and make it the same length as the transferred drewn fabric. Then make each higher layer of stitches shorter than the lower layer. Trim right and left parts separately, and always check how the haircut looks after each trimming. Then place scissors vertically and trim a little, to remove the volume you don't need. If you can see the fabric through stitches, make more stitches and cover it. I watered the hair for better hold. The final look, almost final. Better look on the loop making. I'm showing you techniques on the February pattern. It's from my monthly patron program on Patreon. Each month, patrons suggest and choose the theme. In February, it's Girl in the Living Room. If you become my patron in February 2021, on the third tier, you will receive this pattern and open access to behind the scenes content, and you'll be the first one to see my videos. You can buy the pattern separately, all links are in the description. So for the rack here, I made 2 rows of loops, each in different color, and you can use this effect for hair as well. And here is the finished look of the embroidery. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, hit like, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.